Are you ready to get drenched in 500 gallons of liquid fun? Or battle your friends with thousands of foam balls? Come monkey around with Curious George in the wildest play area Hollywood has to offer. It's the adventures of Curious George.